In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask in Runway ML. Masking is a powerful way to direct attention, isolate a subject, or guide an effect. And Runway ML makes it fast by using AI to understand your footage without manual frame-by-frame work. First, let's get set up. Head to Runway ML and log in so your work is saved to your workspace. Once you're in, look for the New Project button. Click it to create a fresh canvas for your edit. Now upload your video or image. Shorter clips and clear, well-lit visuals will process faster and usually deliver more accurate results, so choose the highest quality version you have available. If you're working with a still image, masking can help you define which areas should receive an effect. With video, it helps the system track movement and keep the subject separated from the background over time. Give the upload a moment to complete, and you should see your asset appear in the editor. Next, select the masking approach. In the editor, open the Styles panel and click on In Motion. This tells Runway to analyze the movement in your clip and create a dynamic, AI-assisted mask that follows your subject. You don't need to outline anything by hand here. The idea is to let the model understand what's moving and use that as the basis for your mask. Depending on the version of the interface you're using, styles might appear in a sidebar or toolbar. If you don't immediately see it, look for the Styles tab or icon. Choosing in motion is ideal when your subject is clearly distinct from the background or when you want the mask to respond to action in the scene. When you're ready, click Generate. Runway will process the frames, detect motion, and build the mask in the background. Processing time varies with clip length and resolution, so a brief wait is normal. As it generates, you may see a progress indicator. When it's done, a preview will play back with the mask applied. Watch the result to make sure the mask holds to your subject, especially during fast movement or lighting changes. High contrast between subject and background generally improves tracking, while similar colors or heavy motion blur can make it harder. If the preview doesn't match your expectations, try rerunning. Generate to let the model take another pass, as results can vary slightly. That's it. Log in, start a new project, upload your media, choose styles and select In Motion, then click Generate. With these steps, you've used Runway ML's AI to create a clean, motion-aware mask in just a few clicks.